This is a tutorial on how to make announcements visible on your course home page. To begin making announcements visible on your course homepage, please go to the login for Canvas and use your username and password to log into your Canvas portal. In the Canvas portal, you'll find on your dashboard the course and select the course that you would like to make your announcements visible. So I selected the course that I would like to make my announcements visible. This course is my History 202 course. So on the course homepage, which is set up here, go to the navigation bar and go to Settings, which is in the bottom left-hand corner. Click on Settings. In Settings, you of course have course details, sections, navigation, apps, and feature options. Make sure that your tab is on the course details. You might have to click on it and scroll down. Scroll all the way down as far as you can go. And you'll notice that there is a section that says More Options. So click on that link that says More Options, and then you'll end up seeing more options. The first box that has a statement after it will say Show Recent Announcements on Course Homepage. So you can put a checkbox in that location, and then it will allow you to choose how many announcements you want to be shown on your course homepage. Typically, I don't like to show more than one, just because I feel like after a while students will get overwhelmed, and it does push your course homepage down if you add a lot of announcements. So what I'll do is I'll show you what it looks like if you do add 3 announcements, but I'm just going to add 1. So I'm selecting 1, and then I'm selecting Update Course Details, which is located kind of in the center of the screen towards the bottom, and this is essentially saving this new format. So if you go back and click on Home, you will see that now the most recent announcement is visible, and this announcement shows us as please check grades on Canvas. And so this is actually a course that I had in the summer, and so you can see the date that it was posted on as well. So if you want to see what it looks like if you were to have more announcements selected, go back to More Options. Let's say I wanted to display 5 announcements. Don't forget to click on Update Course Details, and then go to the home screen, and you'll notice that there are the most recent 5 announcements. And you can see that essentially your course page gets pushed down. So for this reason, I only like to have, when I click on Settings, I only like to have 1 announcement visible so my students aren't overwhelmed. But I also know that when they log into my course, they are able to see the most recent announcement, and they can click on there, and this will allow them to have access to that most recent announcement. Now, if you want to make sure it has the view that your students will see, just make sure you click on Student View, and then you can see exactly what your students are going to see when they log into your course on the homepage. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial that has taught you how to make announcements on the Canvas course homepage. Thank you.